We welcome you to What is School of Languages. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to compare adjectives. So, comparison of adjectives. Aujourd'hui, nous allons apprendre comment comparer les adjectifs. First, let's see how we can compare adjectives. Or compare adjectives, what does it mean? Adjectives can be used to tell the degree to which one thing is compared to another. So there are 3 degrees of comparing adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparing adjectives. They are positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Il y a 3 degrés, 3 niveaux, ou 3 degrés auxquels nous pouvons comparer les adjectifs. So we are going to see the 3 degrees. 1, the positive degree is the simple form of the adjective. The positive degree is the simple form of the adjective. Examples: it is a big book. This is a new bag. This is a beautiful shoe. You see the adjectives in yellow, they are comparing them to another book, another item. This is a big book. So it means that we have another book that is not big, and so on and so forth. Now we have another degree, the comparative degree. The comparative degree means that 2 things, persons or animals, are being compared. We put as side by side 2 things, persons or animals. Now, examples: this book is bigger than that one. This book is bigger than that one. So here we are comparing 2 items, 2 books. This bag is never yours. This bag is never yours. That shoe is more beautiful than this one. That shoe is more beautiful than this one. You can see that we are comparing the adjectives, the items here. Let's go to the superlative degree. The superlative degree means that 3 things or persons, animals, are being compared. It is superior to the others. That's the superlative. Examples: this is the biggest book. This is the biggest book. This is the newest bag. The other shoe is the most beautiful. The other shoe is the most beautiful. Now, we have 2 categories of adjectives. We have regular and irregular adjectives. So we are going to have a look at what are regular adjectives and the irregular adjectives. What makes some adjective to be regular? Let's have a look at this. Some adjectives form their comparative and superlative by adding R, ER, EST to their positive form, such adjectives are called regular adjectives. Now, if we have these ones that add R, ER, EST to their positive to form the superlative and comparative, what of the others? The others, those that change their form or have the determinants, more, most, are called irregular adjectives. It means that we have a set of adjectives that we need to add either more to form the comparison, the comparative adjective, or add most to form the superlative adjectives. So we are going to have a look at a few of them as examples. Now, we have regular adjectives, positive, comparative, superlative. We have slow, slower, slowest. Old, older, oldest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Near, nearer, nearest. Dark, darker, darkest. Great, greater, greatest. These are the regular ones, because you can see that they add ER and EST to form either the comparative or the superlative. But let's go and have a look at the other set of adjectives. Nous avons vu clairement ici que ces adjectifs sont réguliers parce que la terminaison est ER pour les comparatifs et la terminaison est EST pour les superlatifs. The next one, some adjectives end in Y. They are comparative and superlative form in IER, IEST, respectively. They drop the Y by adding it. Now let's have examples here. Comparative, superlative, positive, comparative, superlative. Easy, easier, easiest. You see? Easy, easier, easiest, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Dry, drier, driest. These are what we call irregular adjectives as well. Now let's go and have a look at a set of irregular, this is regular adjective. Let's go and have a set of irregular adjectives in the table that follows. Good, better, best. These are irregular because they change completely. Have we seen good, better, best? Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. These are different sets of adjectives that are irregular. Now, those that take on more or most in the comparative and the superlative form, they are those that take it. We have this adjective that will take the more and the most in comparative and superlative. Let's have a look at them. Important, more important, most important. So we have the positive, the superlative, and the positive, comparative, and the superlative. Careful, more careful, most careful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Useful, more useful, most useful. Let's have a look at some activities to make it practical. All right. Complete the table below. Experience, handsome, wealthy, far, pretty, light, wicked, down, fat. So we have more experienced, more handsome, more wealthy, more far, more pretty, more light, more wicked, more down, more fat. Most experienced, most handsome, most wealthy, most far, most pretty, most light, most wicked, most down, and most fat. I hope you can see that. Let's move on to the last set of activity. Use the correct form of the adjectives in bracket to complete the following sentences. Market is the boy in this school. Theater is the writer. He is there of all the teachers. Who is among the two? Noel is the student in the class. Monique looks than all the guests. My sister is in Accra. Peter has the book in the class. Sewa is there than Amma. Our school has the teachers in the city. Now, number one, Makia is the most fat boy in the class, in this school. Siata is more beautiful than Rita. He is the oldest of all the teachers. Who is the tallest among the two? Noel is the shortest student in the class. Monique looks more pretty than all the girls. My younger sister is in Accra. My youngest sister is in Accra. Peter has the most nice book in the class. Sewa is the most reliable. Sewa is more reliable than Amma. Sewa is more reliable than Amma. Our school has the best teachers in the city. This is the end of today's lesson. And we are coming to an end with the adjectives. Remember, we learned adjectives on qualitative, quantitative, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. And also, we learned how to compare adjectives and the kind of adjective, regular and irregular adjectives. And you've done some activities. Today, we are ending here. Hope to meet you in the next class. We are going to start learning verbs and the tenses. So do not miss the class. Merci beaucoup et à la prochaine. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.